Welcome everyone today with a new scholarship video. Today video is about Erasmus Mundus scholarship which are fully funded. Everybody know it's very a famous scholarship all over the world. But the important thing in this video is I will cover four Erasmus Mundus scholarship so you can apply that which belongs to your previous degree or relevant to your degree and which one you like more. So before going to all of the website and scholarship side, first of all I want to tell you most important thing in this scholarship that all of the scholarship require the same documentation. So you can watch this video from A to Z, so then you can get all of the information in a correct way. Otherwise you will be confused or whether you will get a wrong information from other side and wrote a comment on a comment section that this part is not understandable. So the required document I already told in my old video that the CV should be in Europass template, that you must have a bachelor degree in English and academic transcript. You should have a motivational letter. Your motivation letter totally compile with the which type of Erasmus Mundus scholarship you are gonna apply, and two recommendation letter. One recommendation letter should be the full professor or your department head, and English proficiency certificate or university official letter. Okay, if you have any kind of English letter like IELTS, TOEFL, and Pearson, which normally known as PTE test, you can provide them. But if you don't have any kind of test score, you can provide English proficiency certificate. But your English proficiency certificate is totally or mention on it that your degree is totally in English. Your all courses you studied is in English, and the second thing is your duration of study. And they also need a stamp from the registrar or the chairman of the department. I just got this information from some universities that they require such kind of things on your MOE or English proficiency letter. So you have to care about these kind of things, that don't make any fake certificates, otherwise you will got a problem. No, not now but in a later life. And also you need a one photograph, a copy of passport and work certificate if any. If you have any kind of part-time job, any internship, that is a plus point for a scholarship. Other non-compulsory documents are also required. Okay, so before going to the detail about the scholarship, so today I will cover four Erasmus Mundus scholarship, in which first one is AMIR, EM is Erasmus Mundus. Second one is a CyberMAC Erasmus Mundus scholarship, and the third one is about a GEM MSc scholarship, and last one is a NOHA Erasmus Mundus scholarship. And everybody know that Erasmus Mundus is a joint master program that you study 4 semester in a different countries, or at the end you will get a two different degrees from two different institutes. So first of all I want to discuss about the Erasmus Mundus AMIR scholarship, and these are the duration of these scholarships are 2026 to 28. So host country is a Belgium, Germany, Hungary, France, Spain and Portugal. Duration is 2 years, and the program advanced material for innovation and recycling. So this is basically a program name. So anyone who belongs to a material science, electrical, mechanical, engineering field, they can apply in this scholarship. The scholarship name is Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Program. It's a fully funded. So now we check about is a benefit and financial benefit which you get after successfully get this scholarship. First of all, they will cover all of your tuition fee, your insurance, your travel costs, so visa costs, monthly stipend. Almost in all of the Erasmus Mundus scholarship, they provided a 1400 euros per month. Beside this, they also provide you accommodation. They will cover your visa. They will cover your travel. The first, they also provide you first travel, and same as after one semester, second semester, third semester, and fourth semester, they will cover all of your the travel fee when you move to other country for your second, third or fourth semester. Okay, the first one, AMR scholarship. The program is designed for students who have completed bachelor degree engineering, environmental science, chemistry, physical chemistry, material science, strong background in a so these departmental students can apply in this scholarship. Okay, so now we check their website. This is the AMIR Erasmus Mundus website. So you can see that it's apply now. Later we will discuss about this one. Be an active part of the material science, and also you can read all of the information here. And I will attach all of the website link in the description section, so you can easily get that part. But before going to this one, you have to understand that why, how and that what kind of steps you have to follow to apply in this scholarship. So you can get all of the information here. Simply, if you want to, if you click here, they will give you about the program, how to apply, fee and scholarship, summer school partner, and all of the things you can get information here, like how to apply for admission, for application guideline and required documents. So you can come on Amir Erasmus Mundus site, and you can click on required document. You can check about the documents, and also you can check the application guidelines, and also you can check about that what kind of programs they are offering there. They can show you here, and the fee and scholarship. Like if we click on a fee and scholarship, you can look at here. They will give you in lot of information here. Erasmus Mundus joint program. So it's a 2 year. These are, they will provide you 1400 euros pound per month. It's a too much money. So scholarship for foreign intake of student beginning in these scholarship are offered to limited number of candidates with the highest score for the written or evaluation test. Because after the program, after submitting application, they will also conduct an interview. So you should have to provide a good interview if you want to select in this scholarship. Okay, later you can, if you want to apply on Amir Erasmus Mundus scholarship, you just click on apply now. Like if I apply it here, and you can register here, and then after that you have to provide all of your document. Today I did not guide you that how you fill up the application, because in this video I will cover a 4 scholarship, so you can watch one by one, and then you can easily apply on them. Because I try to provide all of the links in the description section. Okay, so this is the Amber Erasmus Mundus scholarship. This is the application portal, so you can make account it here and log in here, and then you can fill it out. And the last date of apply this scholarship is almost is 23 1 first 20 2026. So mean a 1st January. Still you have a lot of time to make an application. Okay, so now we discuss about the second one. The second scholarship is Erasmus Mundus, is a CyberMACS scholarship. So host country, there are 4 host country or 3 host country who are going to help you to getting this Erasmus Mundus scholarship, like a Turkey, is a Germany, North Macedonia. Degree level is 2 year, is a fully funded, and the last date to apply on this scholarship is 15 December 2025. Still you have a 2 month. And what kind of benefit you will get in this scholarship? Like you will get a full tuition fee, travel cost, visa cost, monthly stipend, health insurance, and same as 14,100 euros per month. So the financial benefit of all of the Erasmus Mundus scholarship are same. You don't need to pay any a penny to for to apply this scholarship. They didn't require any kind of application fee. If you have a IELTS, is a plus point. If you don't have a IELTS, you have to provide a good proficiency letter. Okay, so the CyberMACS scholarship, at the end of the program, you will get 2 dual degrees, one from the Turkey, Germany, and one from the Turkey, North Macedonia. So I already told you that in all Erasmus Mundus scholarship, you will get 2 degrees from the 2 institutes. So after a master, you can get admission all over the world under a full high paid scholarship. So it depends on you what you do. Okay, so the home page of the Erasmus Mundus CyberMAC scholarship is, I just show you here, this one, CyberMAC. So master program in applied cyber security, Erasmus Mundus joint master program. So you can directly click on apply. The new application period start on September, is already started. So the for the student, for the academics, and for the industry, if you are a student, you can click it here, and you will get a more information about this scholarship. Or to apply, simply you can click it here. and then they will show you a page where you have to make your account. You can see, first of all, you will provide your personal information to start your application process. To do so, you can use this link to access the application phase page. But before going to this link, you can see the lot of information here. Like, if you click on a scholarship, I just want to show you that in a presentation or on the main website, the information is same. Otherwise, people will get confused, and either they make a wrong questions. The scholarship pathway is a merit-based admission, affordable admission track, and available spot for with a specific need. They mention all of the things here, and if you want to apply directly, go to apply and click this link. They will open up a new page where you have to make an account. See the CyberMACS. If you don't have account, you can click don't have account yet, just click it here and sign up. You will make your portal account, and then you can fill up your application. So this is a second scholarship. The first one is AMIR Erasmus Mundus scholarship, second one is a CyberMACS scholarship. Now we move toward the third one. Okay, so the third scholarship is Erasmus Mundus GEM, is a GEM scholarship. So host country is a Belgium, Netherlands, Sweden, and Estonia. 2 year is a Erasmus Mundus, fully funded, and its last date is 15 January. So, what kind of financial benefit you will get under this scholarship? The scholarship benefits are same. The stipend is same. When you apply, you first choose one of the study track, because in Erasmus Mundus scholarship you have to choose a track that which country you want to go. You want to go Turkey, you want to go Netherlands, you want to go France. It depends on you. So first of all, you have to choose exact track that where you want to go to finish your first semester. Each year is spent at different university in a different European country depending on the track you choose. Okay, so this is a third scholarship, Erasmus GEM scholarship. So this is a GEM MSc, about GEM, apply to GEM, student experience and news and event. So here you can see the program structure, partner and associate. What is GEM? You can get the further information if you want. And when you apply, you first choose one of the study track. I already told you that you have to choose the study track before going to apply the scholarship. So you can see the all of the information here. And they also have a partner universities in Belgium, Sweden, Netherlands, and Estonia. I already told you these informations. Okay, when you want to apply, so what you have to do, apply to GEM, just click on it. Before your application, after your application, after being accepted. So first of all, what you have to do, go to application portal. The application portal is open from the first of October 2025. You have just click on it, make up your account, and then you have to fill up your application. So last date to apply is the 15th January. These are important dates that you can understand. Non EU applicant, like the Asian peoples, they can apply the before the 1st June. Payment deadlines, and the EU applicant the 1st July to 2026. You have to understand all of the things here. So see, you can see there that you will automatically apply for the Erasmus Mundus. Note that if you apply to the GEM program before the deadline of 15 January, you will automatically accepted for the Erasmus Mundus. You don't need to provide a separate application for a scholarship. If you directly apply to the Erasmus Mundus track, you will be accepted in Erasmus Mundus application. Okay, this is the third one. Now we discuss about the fourth one. The fourth one is Erasmus Mundus NOHA scholarship, founded by European Commission. So program name is Erasmus Mundus Joint Program, and a benefit is fully funded. And what kind of benefit you will get in this course? The benefits are same, like the stipend, travel, visa, installation, and tuition fee. Okay, so what kind of universities are offering this scholarship, like a France, Netherlands, Germany, Ireland, and Sweden, and a Poland. So you have to choose your track also in this scholarship. Eligibility criteria. So this scholarship is basically related to the humanitarian action. So who can apply in this scholarship? Either you belong to a medical science department or a humanities department, education science, social science, law, engineering, economics and management, food sciences, you are eligible for this scholarship. Satisfy the English language requirement. I already told you that your English proficiency letter should be clear and clean. You can make this application too easy for yourself. Okay, so that last one is about the NOHA scholarship. So the NOHA website is here, like Network on Humanitarian Action. This is the main website, and Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Program in International Humanitarian Action. So you can look at here that they give information, program information, your background, your application criteria, admission criteria, your application procedure, Erasmus Mundus opportunities. You can check the opportunities here. They give all of the information about the scholarship. And if you want to check the documentation, you can check the documents here. And if you want to check the application material, you can check that what kind of copy of passport, your diploma, and your scan of your transcript, English proficiency letter, and two reference letters, proof of residence, and all of the things here you can get information. So it's up to you that. Okay, so now how you can apply? So simply you can see the page, come on, just click it on apply here, and they will open a new page where you have to make an account. So these are the four scholarship that belongs to Erasmus Mundus. They have different criteria for a degrees, that you can choose that which degree is relevant to your previous degree, and then you can apply it here. Simply just I would like to apply for NOHA, you can come up here and make application. So this is the video. Basically you will get four scholarship in a one video. Now it's your time or your work. You have to complete your documentation and apply. This scholarship is highly paid and a well-known scholarship all over the world. So remember that the first one is AMIR scholarship. Second one is CyberMACS scholarship. Third one is GEM, and last one is NOHA. All are under Erasmus Mundus scholarship. So if you got any confusion, you can comment in the comment section. And further, if people want that I have to make a application or portal video, then you can also comment in the comment section. Then I will make another video that how you can fill up the application form. Until that time, share this video to those friends and in your educational circle, so they can get this opportunity, and remember me in your prayer. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.